Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's video, we'll be making holiday mini bundt cakes because it's really simple, really easy, a lot of fun to make. So with that, let's get started. We have our ingredients: 1 cup of butter, 2½ cups of sugar, 4 large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk, and then for our icing, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, food coloring because we're going to dye our icing later on. For our first step, we're going to cream together our butter and our sugar. Cream this together for around 4 to 6 minutes. So now that we got our butter and sugar creamed, we're going to add in our eggs and then our extract of choice. So once our eggs are fully incorporated, we're going to add our extract, wet ingredient kind of mixture done. We're going to move over to our dry ingredients and then we're going to mix it all together. So we're going to whisk together our 2 dry ingredients, which is our flour and our baking soda. Oh, and thank you for the mini whisk. So with me here, I have all of our combined batters or dry mixtures. And we're going to alternate putting in our buttermilk and our flour. So now that we have our batter all complete, we're going to go get our pans ready. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, pop them in the oven, let them bake, and then we're almost done. So we're going to prepare our bundt pan. So we have our mini bundt pan up. So for this, we're going to grease our pans lightly with a little bit of pan cooking spray. And take some of our flour, and we're going to sprinkle it inside the molds. We're going to put 2/3 cup of our mixture into each of our bundt pans. We are going to shake them and tap them on our table. And this gets the air bubbles out and helps to level everything so they come up even. So we're going to put them in the oven and then we're going to decorate. So I just pulled the bundt cakes out of the oven and I have them on a plate right here. So we're going to be making the icing that goes on top of it. So we're going to take our 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of milk. And we're going to whisk this until this comes together. Our icing is done. We're going to slur our icing. So we're going to put a few drops of green. We're going to put a few drops of red on the opposite side. And we're going to lightly mix it. We're just trying to get kind of a swirl going on. What we're going to do is that we're going to pour our icing over our bundt cakes. And then we're going to pour some sprinkles on top. And they are finished bundt cakes. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!